series of videos by Chinese social media influencers have taken the internet by storm. They claim to be unraveling the biggest secret of the global luxury goods industry. They claim nearly 80% of all luxury handbags are actually made in China and merely repackaged to appear European. The implication that the global luxury industry is little more than smoke and mirrors. But is this just a viral clickbait or a tip of the iceberg? Let's unpack the facts in this case. Now, luxury brands like Hermès, Chanel, Louis Vuitton and Prada have long built their identity on European craftsmanship. Hermès, for instance, famously produces its bags in a dedicated workshop in Paris and also in Pantin, each piece crafted by a single artisan. Chanel remains rooted in the French heritage, while Italian powerhouses like Gucci and Prada manufacture in Tuscany, where leatherwork is an art passed down from generation to generation. Now, what backs this all up? Strict labeling laws in the United States of America and EU as well. In Europe, a made in France or made in Italy tag requires that the most significant transformation of the product, including key components and labor, takes place domestically. Many brands also go a step further, seeking certifications like Origine Française Grantee to reinforce transparency and traceability. So where did this claim originally come from then? Trade experts and industry insiders suggest that the viral videos may have spotlighted either low-end licensed products or worse, counterfeits. Yes, you heard that right. And this is where the story takes a geopolitical turn. As tensions rise between China and the West, triggered by the tariffs, tech bans and rare earth restrictions, Beijing appears to be backing a coordinated pushback in this particular case. China has imposed retaliatory tariffs of up to 125% on United States imports and restricted critical raw material exports. But there's a new front in this economic war, the luxury fashion war. Sources say that Chinese manufacturers backed by influencers are now flooding the global market with high-quality counterfeit luxury goods. Indian trade experts warn that these TikTok campaigns may be part of the larger narrative to erode trust in Western brands and normalize knockoffs as just as good. And the data backs it up. Let me just give you some key points. According to the United States Chamber of Commerce, China is responsible for 86% of world's counterfeit goods. The global counterfeit trade is valued at over $1 trillion, of which China controls a staggering $818 billion. A recent investigation by French fashion outlet Glitz claims the Chinese counterfeits are being given free rein, especially to target United States labels like Ralph Lauren, Tom Ford, Coach, and even Estée Lauder. Indian trade analysts warn that this is not just about handbags, it's a violation of the global intellectual property norms. By circulating fakes under real brand names, these networks directly undermine trademark laws, infringe on brand IPs, and damage the credibility of original companies. So yes, some bags that you see are made in China, but they're not Hermès and Chanel. They're likely counterfeits. While authentic European luxury continues to stand by craftsmanship and transparency, the luxury war is shifting. No longer just about status and style, but about global influence, economics, and power.
Thank you for watching us on CNBC TV 18. For all news and updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch us on all social media platforms.